Good evening and welcome to this week's episode of What's Cooking in Worcester. Today we're going to be making a simple 15-minute summer fruit salad with a delectable simple peach dressing. For our ingredients today to start out, we're going to make our salad. We'll be using a small container of mixed greens. You can use any greens that you like, but for today's recipe we're going to be doing the mixed. We'll be using 1 cup of peach wedges. You can use a fresh peach or you're able to use pre-canned peaches. It's totally up to you. We're gonna do 1 cup of strawberries. We're gonna do a half a cup of blueberries and a half a cup of pecans. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of goat cheese. So that is gonna be the toppings that we're gonna use today for our summer fruit salad. And then we'll move over and we'll get started with our simple peach dressing. We're gonna go ahead and we are just going to simply place our salad in our bowl. So now that we've added our salad to the bowl, super simple, super quick and easy, we are now going to add our pecans. So you just sprinkle your pecans on. We'll then add our blueberries. We're gonna do our strawberries. We'll do our 1 cup of peaches. And I generally like to place my peaches strategically in my salad, so I'm just gonna gently place these on top of our salad. So much color. Again, it's great for the summer months, and it's super easy. All right, so that's our peaches. And lastly, we will add our goat cheese. So now that we've added our ingredients to our salad, and you can see how beautiful that looks, I'm sure it is delicious, we are now going to prepare our peach dressing. So while we're preparing our dressing, we're just gonna chill our salad. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that we are going to be adding for the purposes of our peach dressing is 1 cup of yellow peaches. All right, so our salad is nice and chilled, our dressing is ready to go, and we're gonna plate this and dig in. I don't know about you, but I love a good fresh salad, especially again during the summer months when it's warm outside. You have your nutrients here, both from your spinach leaves and your arugula, as well as some nutrients from the fruit that we've added to our salad today, such as the peaches, the strawberries, the blueberries, which are great antioxidants. So you can't go wrong here. And the dressing is fresh. We didn't add anything but fresh ingredients. And again, we'll just drizzle a little on top. It's like a little lighter sunshine. All right, guys, so just like that, a simple 15-minute summer fruit salad with peach dressing. Super simple, super sweet, and just simply delicious. Be sure to check us out at worcesterhealth.org. And remember, eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today.